Delta 1982, contact departure.
Over departure, Delta 1982, and we had a bird strike right after rotation.
Delta 1982, appreciate the report. You can contact departure. Yeah, it looks like you've just passed. So we might have to shut down the runway quick. First, everyone on Whiskey, just be advised, we're going to have a slight delay. We're going to shut down the runway. We had a bird strike at rotation.
Great.
Guys 4706, push approved for 17. 2262, towers 267, good morning.
Holding in position, it'll be a couple minutes.
2262. In position, Delta 2102.
Gas 4607, firm for 17.
12 right.
Gas 3700, if you want to just hold short of Whiskey 10, we can probably get you out on 12 right.
Roger, we'll hold short of Whiskey 10, Gas 3700.
2226, if you haven't passed Whiskey 10, we could probably get you out on 12 right. .849, turn right heading 215, contact departure.
15 departure, Delta Strike 49-2.
Sky was 4607, wheels up 47 to Detroit.
Past Whiskey 10, but we can make the turn in the pad if you want, and we can go off 12, that works for us.
Delta 20, yeah, I'm going to move everyone in line here. I'm going to take you all the way to 12 right. We're going to do a conga line, so starting with Delta 2102, you can taxi down the runway, make the left turn on Kilo 8, and it'll be Yankee for runway 12 right.
Alright, go down to Kilo 8, and then Yankee for 12, right, Delta 2102.
2102, it'll be down to Yankee. Left turn Yankee for runway 12 right.
Cool, Yankee, 12 right, Delta 2102.
Gas 3700 for now, hold short runway Whiskey 10.
22, runway right.
Gas 3700 negative, just hold short of Whiskey 10 for now.
We're holding short of Whiskey 10 for now, Gas 3700.
Gas 3700, actually, if I can get you out, are you ready?
Yeah, we'll be ready in about 30 seconds.
An American 2220, are you up?
No, ILS 12 right.
American 2220, Minneapolis Tower, winds 16011, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, American 2220.
3700, you can pull up to and hold short runway 12 right, you'll be number 1.
Pull up and hold short 2, 12 right, we'll be ready, Gas 3700.
Gas 3648, you can make the turn on to runway 17, down to Yankee, left turn Yankee, short of Whiskey.
On the runway 17, Yankee, hold short of Whiskey, Skywest 3648.
2274, you're going to make the turn on to Kilo, down to Yankee, behind the CRJ that's going to be on the runway.
Parallels right now, so put in the numbers for 12 left.
We'll be behind the CRJs doing it on Yankee.
1775, not too late, throw in the numbers for 12 right.
Kilo, Yankee for 12 right, start your numbers for 12 right. 2129 for now, just hold short of Whiskey 10.
For full MS ground, reposition via Delta short of Whiskey.
Delta short of Whiskey for Super 4.
Star Alpha 49er is holding short of 17, turning.
United 2232, Minneapolis Tower, winds 1609er, runway 12 left, clear to land.
Star Alpha
49, Minneapolis Tower.
You control runway 1735
Up 49, we'll show 17 close. Skywest 3700, runway 12 right, line up and wait.
12 right, line up boys, Gas 3700.
1862, push approved for 17.
Push 17,
2262, are you able to make a right turn on Alpha?
We can, Delta 2262.
runway 262, continue down Alpha, cross runway 4 for 12 right.
Okay, Alpha, put across runway 4, 12 right, Delta 22 still.
2 right via Alpha, cross 4, give way to American Alpha 5, Delta 1775.
American 2220, turn left when able, join Alpha, contact ground point 9.
12 left, taxi via Quebec and cross runway 4.
Back cross
4917 is closed.
And you're going to Echo 13.
American 2220, taxi Alpha and Delta, good morning.
Runway heading, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 12 right, clear for takeoff, go 37 minutes, Jeff.
2102, runway 12 right, line up and wait.
Super 4 on Delta, short of 12 right.
Short of 12 right for Super 4.
4, thanks, monitor 26.7, good morning.
126.7 for Super 4.
That was 4066 behind the RJ from the left. Actually, push is approved for 12 left.
Push approved, 12 left, that was 46.
That was 4607, join Papa now and cross 4.
Join Papa, cross 4 to 12 left.
6011. Fly runway heading, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading 12 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2102.
3648, runway 12 right, line up and wait.
Minneapolis ground, Allegiance 3112, with you, Hotel 10.
And affirmative, you'll be behind the 75.
If it's not too late, can you use Sierra Charlie, hold short 12 right?
Charlie, hold short of 12 right.
Thank you. Allegiant 3112, push approved for 12 right.
Push approved 12 right, can we get 17?
The 22.
7's fine. They had it closed. They should be about done scraping up the bird, though.
Okay, appreciate that, Allegiance 31.
Nope, and I lied. It is open now, so plan on 17.
Okay, thanks a lot, Allegiance 3112.
C129, if you'd like, 17 did open up.
Tag 12 right, got that 2129.
Okay, very good.